Oh, it is fantasy. Are we
Yes,
fucking...
but not how I thought it was gonna be.
The hell?
Oh, hell yes,
Am I
dude.
a fucking gorilla?
Dude,
Oh my god!
this is Black Myth Wukong all day, which
Oh,
is crazy
no.
how recent that game is.
What have you done to me?
Wait, am I?
Relax.
What am I?
Explain everything.
Where am I?
Where are you? Do you see the golden
Oh,
light?
dude, if I'm like a fairy godlike being, that's gonna be hilarious.
Yes. Over here.
Fuck. I'm a gorilla. I'm a monkey.
Oh my god, I'm freaking Tinkerbell.
Fairy.
Oh, they actually like aged you down.
Did you turn me into a monkey?
You know, you can turn back into your human form. Like this.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
How did you do that?
Just think of your human form and you'll transform.
No, you should say it like that.
I kind of want to stay like this. Just give me the sword, too.
I do.
We're shapeshifters. Amazing, isn't it?
I don't know, man. If we've got free human form, I'll take the gorilla over a fairy.
Just tell me how we
Someone
fight
tells
them.
me we're gonna like transform back in those forms though.
Yeah. That's probably how we fight. Oh, how do I want to go back in the gorilla. Oh, fuck yeah!
Necessary to make me smell like a dog?
Come again?
Never mind.
Oh, dude.
Bro!
Oh, okay.
Oh, fuck, the monkey can't swim. Oh, what? We have other forms. I have like a dragonfish?
Do we have other forms?
At least I did to swim. Like, look over my screen really quick. I'm a fucking fish now.
Shiny.
Oh,
What the
there
fuck?
we go.
Groot!
I am Groot.
Okay, so left trigger will turn you back, right trigger will turn you...
I see. Okay, I see how this works now.
Yeah. It took a sec.
I fear I needed to be Groot for that.
Is this a secret? Oh, no, it's not.
Secret tunnel. Secret. Oh, I see you.
Do you?
Oh, that killed me.
Stupid piranhas.
Oh, there's piranhas.
There's piranhas in the water. For whatever
I
reason.
guess they don't like eating this fish. What the fuck?
I am Groot.
That's your fucking Groot power?
Yep.
Wait, hold on. Who's bigger? Is the gorilla bigger or is the
Never
Groot
gonna
bigger?
forgive you for this.
That's bigger.
Groot is
Some
bigger.
fresh air will do you good, city girl.
Oh, I can do something to this. Oh, I gotta hold that up for you.
Rock and roll, Boulder.
Oh, I think that boulder killed me, but the cutscene triggered.
Hilarious.
Not so bad being a shapeshifter now, huh?
I feel violated.
I took inspiration for this story from when me and my sister were younger. We used to imagine we were different kinds of animals and...
Can we just skip to the end?
Oh, come on.
Oh my
I was reading
god.
your story and I didn't complain.
You complained the whole time.
That's true.
Anyway, welcome to the Underland.
Oh damn, yeah, Mio, just chill the fuck out. My god.
Time, in a far distant land, magical creatures lived together in harmony until the evil Ice King arrived and cursed the
Oh,
land
Not,
and
there's
not
a-
Adventure Time.
There's our boss for the this level.
Let me guess.
It's
Our
Adventure
quest is
Time, dude.
to defeat the Ice King in order to break the Ice Curse?
Exactly. Okay then, let's go save the world and find that glitch.
It's like Chronicles of Narnia.
Yeah, hold on, I gotta go to the bathroom. 1 sec.
Dope.
Let me take a swig of this water.
Taking with this milk.
What kind of milk is it?
whole milk.
Pretty nice.
Whoa, whoa!
I'm more of a
Our
2%
radars
guy
followed
myself.
you. The glitch seems to be blocking them from shutting us down.
Where did you go? Oh, you're over here. I was like, I thought you jumped down there.
To stop us
I was like,
from
yo,
finding
what the fuck?
That's
See, look,
annoying.
I'm like a little
But at least
dragonfish.
now we know that we can actually break the machine and escape.
I can stomp on you, dude.
Okay, so we just have 2 forms each.
Yeah. Ooh, a swing.
A swing!
Dude, we can swing.
I wish I could swing as the gorilla. Yeah, woo!
Wonder how high we can go. What if I was swinging on a swing with my friend, and someone just stopped me, bent me over, and violated
No!
my asshole?
Shut the fuck up.
What if I turned into Groot, and then someone just pushed me over and started violating my asshole?
I hate you.
I want you, if you edit this, I want you to input one of those TikToks into here.
What if somebody pushed me forward and violated my asshole?
Just so people know what I'm talking about.
No.
I don't know
think
what I'm-
will.
I don't know
think I'll
what-
leave it as is so that way everyone just hears you like fucking contemplating that.
It's so funny.
How the fuck do I get over there? Oh, I'm stupid. I go beneath.
You gorilla over.
No, I fucking swim.
Oh,
under.
dude. Wait, dude. You gotta get over here. Seesaw.
Go easy now.
Oh.
Max it out!
Wait, hold on. What if I change...
Higher!
Wait, okay, hold on. I think you got to change it into gorilla. Now jump, and then... Yeah, wait, hold on. Well, God, there's a way to do this. Okay, wait. Okay, jump again. Fuck. This is hard.
Yeah. Remember that one scene in fucking Way Out where they got on the seesaw and they're both just like, I don't know why we did this. Oh my god, damn it! I forgot the button again.
I didn't need that.
Yeah, well, I can't fly. Gorilla. I keep saying gorilla, but it's not because he has a tail.
That's a rare bird of paradise, Neo.
A rare bird of paradise? That thing?
Can I do something to it? Oh, I can. Oh, dude, get on the thing.
Nope.
Turn gorilla.
Oh shit, that's a giant fucking spider.
Get lost, birdie!
What the fuck? Hold on, you gotta get me back up there. I'm sorry.
God damn it.
Oh my god, the spider. Let me up to go one more time.
Let me know when you're ready.
Hold on, let me get that. Let that spider get past. No. What the fuck? Oh my god, I'm hitting the wrong button. I'm so sorry. Go.
Groot is disappointed in you.
There we go. Oh, okay. Never mind. Gonna get the Ice King. This fucking
Sorry
bird.
to bother you, beautiful.
God damn it!
Bro,
Stop fucking
this
pixels.
chain. Dude, it lets me skip so much.
You fucking cheater.
Nah, bro. I'm just OP.
I'm looking for secrets down here.
Oh, God.
Hey, the gorilla can climb this.
Oh!
Are you still far ahead of me? Jesus.
I'm awesome, dude.
Okay.
Shapeshifting seems to come naturally to you. It's humiliating.
That killed me.
Can't you try and think of
Didn't know it was gonna shift like that.
positive with all of this?
My pollen allergy.
I'm gonna let you figure that out.
Here.
Where are you?
Oh wait, maybe. Do I have to do something? Oh wait, I see what I have to do now. Hold on.
Oh. Thank you. And then I'm assuming. Oh, there you go.
What? Oh, fucking
Oh god.
spider bitches.
Hold on, here you go.
Wait. Oh my god. Okay, now. All right, I'm good.
Yep.
You've got the hang of it.
Oh. What? Yeah, I need you to hit that again. No, like, yeah, the other one. And then you have to go on the other side and hit the other one because I just died.
You can't climb up?
No, you have to go back and forth.
Oh, dude, fuck that. Okay, so there's that one. And then here's this one.
And you gotta go back.
What the fuck? Oh my
I
god,
died.
the timing on that is so
This
tight.
is hard.
Hold on. What? Alright. There's one. There's two. There's three. Oh, I have to pull it down. Oh my god. Jesus, I have to do fucking everything here. Hold on. Alright, go. Go.
What the hell? Why am I not making it? What?
God
Okay,
damn
for
it,
some reason it's just
Connor.
not. I don't know what happened, dude.
Alright. 1. 2. 3. Down. Oh fuck!
Wait, no!
That's on me. Oh my god! Alright.
How many times are we gonna do this?
1. Okay, there we go.
Alright, I'm
Keep it
good.
up,
That was
and I'll find you a
ridiculous.
little banana.
Don't.
Jesus. Where the fuck am I going?
Dude, this is so fucking fun! The quick transformation are so fucking fun.
I'm going really far, dude.
Yeah, we'll catch up. Oh, I guess the gorilla for sure cannot swim.
Oh. I guess for sure I died to piranhas. Okay, come on. I hit it that time.
Oh, what?
No, no, no!
What the fuck happened over
Nature
there?
needs its nurture.
That bird just died.
That's hilarious.
So these pink plants, don't step on them. They
Yeah.
will kill.
Okay, so the piranhas don't attack my dragonfish form. What it looks like.
Okay, that killed me.
Oh fuck! I gotta just figure out the I don't want to change the control scheme again. 'Cause fuck me. All right.
Damn, dude. Maybe I gotta be quick about it.
Yeah. It's just fucking remembering the controls like right before I hit the water is just fucking me up. It's on me.
Dude, how do I get past this? Do I need you to get past this?
You might. Because the piranhas don't attack
Oh, don't
me in the water like this. I just need to... Oh, I do just need to get up there. Alright, I'm here, finally. Alright, yeah, you probably do need me. Hold on a sec. Oh, there you go.
Oh, I see.
Okay, tow me slow and steady now, please.
I think you need to get lower.
Right.
Well, that's bullshit.
I guess you gotta get lower than that.
Low. Get low, get low, get... Okay, I'm as low as I can go.
Okay. Alright, now get high.
Okay.
Slow and steady, Ottomio. Oh, I heard you the first time. I just don't want to become someone.
Man, you really are doing all the grunt work here.
Yeah. Alright,
Okay, now I think I have to deal with that.
now you gotta go be Groot again. Alright, hop aboard. Run a timer.
Oh, we got our... Oh, yep.
I don't...
Keep towing me.
Fuck! I thought we made it. Oh, shit!
Well,
Where's our...
don't tell me you have to go all the way back.
Oh, god damn it. No, it's not even over here now.
Oh, it's probably beyond the things. So I probably have to move them again so you can come back and grab it.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna go ahead and get a head start, and then I'm gonna like chain jump over there.
Okay.
All right.
There you go.
That is close.
Yep. Alright, now... Now what the fuck is this gonna be? So that's not anything you can do.
Are you able to go under the plants?
Not while I'm pulling you.
Oh wait, no, I see what I have to do. Okay, I have to chain jump over to there while you go left and grab that one.
Oh my god. Yeah, alright, hold on.
Hurry! Hurry!
I'm coming.
Oh, there's a timer on this.
Yeah, you're fucked. I'm sorry.
Thanks for letting me die.
I'm sorry. I thought it would go a lot faster than it did.
I'm all the way over here now.
Yeah.
Alright. Let me know when you're ready.
Go for it. What the fuck? There's not even like a thing here. Oh, I'm supposed to pull it with me. I'm not taking you off of... You're not jumping the next one. I'm just taking this with.
I see.
Yeah, okay.
I see. Okay. Oh god.
Careful.
Well, I jumped too many times.
Doofus. Can you make it? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I make it.
Alright.
I'm fine.
Yeah, I'm just gonna pull you over, let you jump over, and I'm gonna haul it over on the other side. Go.
I'm waiting. I'm trying to time it.
Hurry.
Oh, come on.
Alright, you could have waited like an extra sec.
I
Just run back and forth.
I am barreling towards piranhas. It's kind of scary to wait.
You're fine. Oh, the frame rate on my tail's kind of fucked up with doing this.
Nah, that's good.
I'm gonna like drift you around to it. Can you make it? Yep.
Yep, made it.
I wish I could do my dash here, but I can't. Alright. I'm gonna pull this back over here.
Alright, I made
Alright.
it. Now I'm going. Alright, I'm all the way down. I'm as
Yep,
low as I can go.
You can go. Piss off.
Oh god, I gotta do this shit again.
Ahoy, Captain! Another side story up ahead.
Oh
See
shit.
it.
Okay.
While the Ice King does need to be dethroned,
Oh god.
the scenery is always refreshing.
I guess you're just gonna go on that side?
Yep, I think I have to.
Okay.
Shouldn't we cleanse that side story?
I don't know. The Ice King won't be defeated by himself.
Oh, you got to the side story. Oh, I have to go back. Oh, time to die.
Fuck. Yeah, come back, come back.
Okay, hopefully if I... Oh wait, no, I should be able to make it back without dying. Damn, that's crazy. So the side stories can be hidden.
Well, it's not really hidden, it's like an off path.
Well, like, if we'd both went this way, like, we would have never found that. That's
Yeah.
what I'm saying, like...
Oh, I didn't even think
Like,
about going
you
that way. I thought it was just split, like, options. But yeah, I guess you're right, it would be. Yeah, come Ready?
Yep. Okay, this does not look pig-related.
I'm very curious what this one's gonna end up fucking being.
I'm hoping this one's more serious.
It's just like fucking COD. Are we?
Oh my god,
Oh
dude.
shit!
Guys,
What? This is like Just Cause almost.
It is Just Cause. This is fun.
quite nice.
All right, I'm into this.
don't get too comfortable.
Damn, I really am better at inverted controls. Holy shit.
No, I'm not.
Okay, we're here to stop a bomb train from reaching its target.
This is like a train heist.
A sci-fi train heist.
Oh, this is your shit, obviously.
Like I said, like all the side stories are other
Okay.
ones that we had ideas for.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, fucking
Oh.
hell!
What the fuck?
Incoming mines!
Oh shit! Watch out!
Oh man. Okay, now I know those are mines.
That's the train security.
Ew!
We need to blow it up.
Like a violent train conductor.
Yeah, more or less.
We have no weapons. How are we gonna blow it up?
I'm sure that will come later.
The bomb is at the train's locomotive.
All right, let's get it.
Whoa!
Do a barrel roll or something.
Oh, fuck off!
That was Star Fox.
Yeah,
That was totally Star Fox.
They're not even being subtle with their references. What the fuck? Are you serious? I missed that?
Oh, you can barrel roll.
Yeah, you can.
I didn't know that.
They're blocked.
Okay, I did not make that one. I went below.
Whoa, close call.
There, catch that train!
Watch the mines. Oh. Oh, fuck yeah.
Oh my god.
We got this.
Dude, this is wild. Dude, all of the like influences in this is wild.
Yeah, it's fucking... You know what this like feels like? It's like when you were a
What?
kid and you were just playing like pretend with like your friends, like outside, like oh yeah,
my
no, like
God,
I'm
yeah.
an ancient warrior or some shit. But it's like it captures that feeling in the best way.
Yeah, that's probably like the intention.
I know, I'm digging it so much. Woohoo! Oh, dude, Connor, you can do tricks.
Oh no, what do we do?
Get
That's
your wings
awesome.
ready! Attack
Oh
the
yeah! Back in the wings!
I think this is my favorite side mission so far.
Yeah.
Don't lose your balance.
Don't lose their balance. It says I nearly lose my fucking balance because I forget what the buttons are. Wow, I just got all kinds of fucked up, didn't I? Well, yep.
Dude, you got so fucked up.
Yeah, I did. My god, these missiles are stressing me out, man! Oh my god! I'm just getting blown off the fucking train. You're just hard. Oh my god, I got fucked. Yeah, you're hard carrying this one.
How do I make it over there? I don't know how to make it over there.
Oh,
What the
dude,
fuck?
hold up. Oh, fuck yeah.
Oh, you got to get in these. What in the world?
Let's get it.
Oh my god, dude.
Conductor.
I love these kinds of games.
Yep.
Get that power up.
Power up.
This will get the job done.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, dude.
Here's one for you.
Now we're talking.
Oh, what the
Oh my
fuck?
god.
Oh, that was the shield? Oh, no, it's like missiles.
No, it's homing. It's homing.
Oh, I got this one again, okay. I mean, if it does the job.
Actually, you know what this reminds me of? The things you can do at the end of Smash Bros.
Oh, yeah.
And the credits.
Oh, fuck yeah! Get lasered, bitch! Oh. Not that one. Dude, we are not letting up. Look at his health bar. Oh shit, you fucking asshole.
Oh, I lost my shield. I'm close to death.
Oh shit, I didn't even hit it.
Oh, I got it back. And I lost it immediately again.
He's almost done now. Oh, I lost mine. Shit. Don't die, Connor. Alright, I'm back. Down he goes!
Hell yeah, dude. Hey Marco,
Hey, Connor.
either me or you have to play this with Claire.
Yeah, she fucking loved this.
100%.
That sequence would fit in a movie or something.
Oh, well, I'll be there opening night.
You would?
No, too violent. Way too violent.
Ugh, I'm getting just a little bit
Too
loud.
violent.
Did my shit freeze?
I'm a pretty fairy.
Connor, can you
Did
hear
it?
Can you hear me? Oh shit, there we go.
Anyway,
Can you hear me okay?
dethrone the Ice King.
Yeah, I gotcha.
Find the
That
glitch.
shit like froze for a moment.
Lead the way.
Alright. Probably call it around midnight or so, like in another 20, 30-ish minutes. I'm getting...
Okay.
Alright, so we have to go this way? Oh, I see.
Yeah. Oh, this is you.
What is? Oh, monkey?
Monkey. Monk. Monkey with E instead of Y.
I don't like that word. Careful there.
What, monkey?
Yeah. Bitch! Oh, what?
I gotta admit,
simulated version of my world looks pretty spectacular. Yeah.
Oh.
That Vader wants to snatch it.
Oh shit.
Just keep going. I got
Yeah,
you.
we're good, we're good. Monkey. Wait, what?
She even made monkey noises.
Yeah, she does. She's been doing that this whole time. She embraces it now.
I think I need you to come back and
What
hit
the
the thing.
fuck, giant? There's giant little chicks over here, Connor.
I don't know where it took me. Oh, I see. Because I'm tiny.
Ooh.
Connor, there's giant fucking bird babies here.
Oh my god.
What the fuck? I can pick
Pretty
one up.
spherical birds. Maybe glitter wasn't the best camouflage, Zoe. Sit.
What the fuck? Get back here, you little
Oh, look
shit.
at the baby chick.
Ah.
Let's go, Featherball.
I think we need them actually.
I know. I'm trying to figure out what we're doing with them.
Roost here.
Oh, we gotta launch them. Okay, hold on. I got.
What?
Did it just become an egg?
No, it was just like this the whole time. Oh wait, Connor, there's a thing over there that you do your group magic on.
Well, it won't let me put this down.
Just press B or something.
I did.
Just press, or maybe you
Hold
have
on.
to go put it in like.
Oh, I got. Oh, wait. Yeah, I got it.
Who's a good chick?
What is that? Baby? What in the fuck? What is that supposed to do?
Oh, maybe I'm supposed to catch the. I don't fucking know, dude.
So I can get up here. And oh wait, what is this? Okay. And
Or
doing that, like. Oh wait, how far back can you push it?
well, that's as far as I can go in that direction, and this is about as far as I can go in this direction.
Okay.
Oh, I think I need to guide you to right here. Maybe I don't know actually.
'Cause I was able to reach that. I can reach this.
Oh, I see. I see.
What?
Hold on. Just wait.
Huh? Oh!
Oh, I think I have to launch you. Yeah, I gotta
No,
launch
you.
you.
Have to launch the bird. You're gonna use that to
what
hit
the
the bird.
shit?
Ready?
Okay, ready? Yeah.
Go! Oh my
What the
god!
fuck, dude?
That's fucked up!
I mean,
What?
it's okay.
Yeah! That's so fucked up of us!
How the hell did it survive that?
It's fantasy. And they're fluffy.
You caught her, you're a fucking
I
psychopath.
think Zoe's more fucked up than Mio.
Yeah.
I might have to rewrite this part when I get the chance.
Great. You've led us into a dead end.
No, you did.
No.
I can't believe it.
Fucking me, no.
Please tell me you know where to go.
Oh,
Zoe
shit.
Plus Ella.
Zoe?
Connor, are you gay?
Zoe!
Only a little.
Sorry. I just wasn't expecting this when I left home this morning.
I feel like you should be able to ask what the fuck that's about.
Yeah.
Mio, meet Lord Evergreen.
This is totally ripped out from Legend of Zelda.
Leaf tree?
Yeah.
What's it called? The Great
I
Deku
borrowed
Tree or
an
whatever?
old tree me and my sister
Yeah.
used to climb. You know, every summer we used to take...
Look. I'm sure this means a lot to you.
Look.
Do I have to remind you that we're stuck in a simulation?
Wait.
Fine. We need to go inside.
God damn, Mio, just fucking be nice to her. Like, she's trying to help, and you're the one who calls all this shit, and you're just an asshole to her. I feel bad for Zoe.
You gotta let me in. Let me into that heart of yours.
I'm trying, man. Like, fuck.
Cool, huh? After you.
It's your story. You lead the way.
Happily.
You know what? I bet Zoe is like a real bad bitch, like out in the streets.
Watch, it turns out one of us is a criminal and one of us is a cop, and we have to face each other at the end.
Oh. There's no way they would ever do that in a game like this.
I got the email as I got rejected from another publisher. On the same day? I'm used to
Oh wait, what game is this mimicking? Oh god, this is mimicking a game.
struggling writer.
It is.
Oh. I just don't remember what game it is. God, they literally just pulled every inspiration outside of GTA 6, it feels like almost. Yeah, beat the shit out of that thing.
Oh yeah.
Does it do anything for me?
Isn't this yellow glow for you?
I didn't do shit for merge with nature. Oh my god, dude.
Okay. This is the heart of the forest. The very essence of the wilderness.
Hey, that doesn't sound like Groot.
Oh, what the fuck? They just stole you.
Zoe?
You're on your own, dude.
Oh fuck.
I've seen this in Evil Dead, and this does not go well.
Hey!
Did I just
Damn!
get smacked?
Knock
I just
it
whipped
off.
the shit out of
Show
you.
yourself!
Marco,
What the fuck?
I am nature.
Are you?
Is that you?
Yeah.
I am nature.
I'm like Mother Earth now, and I make the rules. Sort of.
Dude,
So how does this work
holy
for us?
shit.
So, you control the environment now?
Yes.
So you're actually you're doing something that I can't see then.
Mighty guide.
Then take
No, I had the same.
Sure. But
I had the same view as you.
Tiny
Oh
Leo.
really?
please.
Yeah, dude.
And don't call
This
me
is
Tiny.
trippy.
Shit.
Oh, I can rotate these.
Oh shit. Okay. I think you
Kinda.
gotta extend like this next platform. Oh shit.
Oh, I see.
Hold on, let me go monkey.
Okay, let me know when you're ready.
And go. And go.
Alright,
Can I make this one? Hold on.
hold on.
No. Fuck.
I was gonna give you a little bit more room, but alright.
Yeah, that's my bad. Go. And go. What the fuck? Hold on, I'm trying to figure out which one's better for this, monkey or normal. Probably monkey.
Well,
Alright,
not that one.
there you go. Go. Okay.
Alright, hold on, let me see if we... do you think you can make that?
Rotate around completely one time really quick, Chris. Make sure there's not one I'm missing. Oh, wait.
Oh, wait.
Fuck! Okay. How the fuck am
I'm gonna rotate you
Yeah, rotate
a
me.
little bit closer.
What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Okay, well, at least it gave me a kind of a checkpoint, but what the fuck? Alright, extend this
Yeah.
one. Okay. I know. What the fuck?
That one was me. I
Oh.
didn't realize that was gonna happen.
Monkey Mio. Yeah.
Dude, this is insane.
Monkey Mio. That's fucked up. You can't call me that. And, alright.
Okay,
You call it.
1, 2, 3, go.
Fuck. Yeah!
Oh lord, what does that do? I'm just making the place glow, dude.
I think you spin this whole tree trunk.
Oh my god, I do.
Like you can
Despite
make
the
it a path.
simulation pickle we found ourselves in, I do believe we'll be all right in the end.
But we have no idea what it will take to escape this mess.
Can you jump over
When
that?
in doubt, choose hope.
Okay.
I'm not kidding when I say this, but I think your positivity might be...
Moving, inspiring.
Yeah, that was not where I was going.
Remember, no one offends Mother Earth and gets away with it.
Please don't kill me.
What? Keep going. I guess you just have to make a full rotation so I can get around it.
Yeah. Hold. Oh,
What
look.
the
Okay.
fuck, Connor?
I don't know how this works.
You fucking asshole!
Okay. Alright, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready. Oh, I
You
gotta
were not
jump.
ready.
I gotta. I misunderstood. Okay. 1, 2, 3. What the? All right. What happened there?
I think there's a delay to it, I think.
Okay. Then you call it.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Do it. Okay. There we go.
Alright, that worked.
Maybe I should have just done that from the beginning.
All right, stomp that stump.
Yeah, stop. Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh, I did this one of these earlier.
Stomp that stump.
I'll stomp your stomp.
Paraplegics be like.
On your feet, Mio.
Wow.
Wait, hold on. Oh, I gotta attack the I can attack these spiders. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can get the spiders off.
Oh my god. That's so fucked up.
Crunchy.
That's funny. That's what it is. And then now, oh, okay, I see. Not the spiky side.
Huh. You taste
All right, you ready?
cool.
I think you have to launch me at that next swingy thing.
You ready?
Yeah.
Good call.
Oh, a monkey.
Monker. Dude, you know what this is right now?
Eh.
This is Donkey Kong.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Okay.
You're making my fur pain.
Oh, so I'm just turning into a monkey when you eat me like the. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Okay, I'm gonna have to time this right.
Yeah. What? Why did I turn into
Monkey
the
can't
fish?
swim.
Okay. I mean,
You gotta do that
double
quick.
tap it. Yeah.
That was 100% Donkey Kong.
It was.
Oh, I can change the water level. Dude, this is so intricate, dude.
It really is.
Yeah, work those adorable legs.
What?
Oh, I pressed the wrong button.
Oh, I'm like, yeah, I am like an otter dragon. That's cute. God damn it.
Please
Mio
try to
can't
stay
swim.
alive.
I know. It's just so weird. She swam in the other ones, but like this water, she can't.
Don't get caught.
It's just fucking. It is like Mario, like the cheap cheeps.
Oh, try going under the thing.
That's yeah. I was.
Or
You don't see me fucking.
this is like the Barracuda from Finding Nemo, dude.
It is okay. What? Oh.
Yeah. Oh, bitch. No, go back under the thing. I can deflect it.
Yeah. When he goes back over, then
Alright.
you give me an opening here.
Yeah.
Go. Oh, I can hide in that. Okay. All right, now grow the grass underneath.
Oh, I see.
Yep. Oh, let me look. Oh, oh! Shit! I didn't realize I was out. I didn't realize I was out. What the fuck?
Hide in the seaweed.
Dude, you got sniped.
Why are these things so
think
fucking
the moment-
fast?
Yeah, I think the moment they see you, you're screwed.
All right. Let me let this fucker get by. You don't see me, bitch. Alright, next one. What the fuck now?
That was stupid.
What, am I supposed to just haul ass for it? Okay. I guess I am.
I think you are.
It sucks being part of the food chain.
Where
I
the
was so
fuck?
confused. I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, the other one just came out of fucking nowhere.
Am I back from being nature?
I think so.
Did you miss me? Oh, yeah. Knew it.
God, this is awesome.